Today we're cooking with Chef Darian Bryan at
Thank you
his
so much.
restaurant in downtown Buffalo called the Plating Society. So welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Our first dish today is going to be a baked smoky tofu.
Yes, ma'am. I can't wait. You excited?
I'm super
like tofu?
excited. It's not one of my favorites.
Okay.
But I'm willing to try it and try the way you prepare it so it's interesting and spicy and flavorful.
Ooh, you know I'm all about my flavors. Whenever you go to the store, make sure you get extra firm tofu
Okay?
because it's just like, it's better to work with. So you open it up, there's water in it, you're
Yep.
gonna pour it out. And did you know you should press your tofu even though it's extra firm? Yeah.
I did not know that.
So I'm gonna show you how you do it. Get a plate. We're pretty much gonna put this right here.
Okay?
Another plate on top. And get something heavy like some books, some cast iron pan, and just put on top. If the kids are running around, put the kids on it too. Put something heavy on it. You're gonna let it sit there for at least 25 minutes.
Really?
And you'll be amazed how much water come out of it. Spaghetti squash.
Okay.
Love these. They're healthy, they're delicious, they're
They
nutritious.
are.
My wife loves these too. So when you cut these, go in, all the way down. Don't be afraid of them. They don't bite. Open it up. You get a spoon and you scrape it out. With some light olive oil. We're just gonna rub it in. Get your hands in there. Real simple. And salt and pepper.
So sometimes I cook with grapeseed oil instead of olive oil.
Oh, that works too.
Okay?
And you wanna go flesh side down.
Flesh side down, all right?
And you pop it right in the oven.
At what temperature?
Around 400 degrees.
I'm sorry?
400 degrees.
400?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you want it nice and roasty. So this is what it looks like when you're done.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So use a fork and you just like, even use a spoon and just like spoon it up. And come right out. For the tofu now, when it's pressed, we're just gonna slice it up, make some planks like this. Then we cube them up.
So you are originally from Jamaica.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you cook with any tofu in Jamaica?
No, I don't think Jamaicans will mess with tofu at all. So I'm gonna get a saute pan. I'm gonna put it in there.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go with some apple cider vinegar
All right.
just to make the seasoning stick. And this smells so good when you're making it. Some salt. Smell that? Smoked paprika.
Wow.
Some garlic powder. And we're gonna bake this for at least 20 minutes.
All right. And what temperature? This is also 400?
Yep. 4 or 450. And the longer you bake it, the more color it gets too. So we got some that's done right here already.
So it is not only darkened, but obviously
Shrink, yeah.
it's shrunk down. Yep.
Just a little bit. All right, so we're gonna saute our spaghetti squash really quick. In the pan, get it in there. Do you like spaghetti squash?
I do. I love it.
Yeah. It's like instead of spaghetti, like sometimes my wife like to do meatballs and
Right.
So this, it's a little salt and pepper on this, even though I seasoned it before. It's a little bit. Always season for a reason. Toss it up.
And this is just to heat it through.
Just eat it through, because it's cooked already. Steaming, we're gonna put it in the pan. Put it in a bowl. Nice presentation. And we're just gonna pretty much top it off.
So Darian, if I may say so, I've heard that you're pretty famous for the way you plate a dish.
Yeah, I own the plating society because, that I'm very passionate about my plating. People eat with their eyes.
They
you
eat
know
with
what I
their
mean?
eyes.
Yep. And
That is beautiful.
that's that. And you can have some like soy sauce, some scallions, or some cilantro, whatever green you have. And that's it. Low carb. And
Delicious.
it's delicious.
Something simple that you can make at home too, for you, your friends, your family. It's quick, it's easy. Thanks for joining us today.
All things